Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Dr. Nate.
And I'm Dr. Kelsey.
And we're going to be talking about posture today. So everybody knows you have to have good posture, but what does good posture actually look like? We'll talk through what that means, but also some tips on how to prevent poor posture, but also what poor posture can lead to in the long run. So first off, we'll talk about what it actually looks like. Good posture would mean, if Kelsey is going to be my model today, you can face that direction and just stand normally, okay? So what you want to see with good posture is your ear over your shoulder, and your shoulder over your hip right here. And your hip should be over your knee, and your knee over your ankle. So if I were to drop a plumb line, a straight line all the way down from her ear all the way down to her ankle, it should be completely straight. That's good posture. Now in our society, you're all set, Kels, forward head posture is another word for text neck. That's really popular nowadays because cell phones, iPads, computers, they pretty much run our life. So what that will look like is if that ear is going forward, that can put a lot of pressure on your neck, but in the long run, the joints in your lower back as well. Why we want to prevent text neck or forward head posture is because that can put a lot of pressure not only on the joints that are protecting your bones in your neck, but also the nerves that come out of those joints. So if I were to face Kelsey this direction one more time, if she goes forward, her head weighs approximately 10 to 12 pounds. Each inch forward her head goes, that adds an extra 10 pounds of pressure to her joints. So let's just say her head is 10 pounds and it goes forward 2 inches. Her head effectively weighs 30 pounds. Now, could you imagine holding a 30-pound weight on your head forward like that for the entire day? You can imagine how tired you would get. Also, you could feel pain, tightness, stiffness right here where your shoulders and your neck meet up. Now, in the short term, that's irritating. But in the long term, that can lead to degeneration within the joints of your spine. So it starts with the neck, but that can lead to the lower back problem as well. So a lot of people come into chiropractors, physical therapists for lower back pain, for neck pain, mid-back pain. A lot of times you can start with what you're doing throughout the day. So we're going to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your posture when it comes to text neck. So the first one would be when you're driving, it's really easy to have that forward head posture. What you can do is when you get to a stoplight or a red light, push your head, the back of your head, into the head restraint behind you and hold it there for the entire duration of that red light. Once it turns green, then you can go back to a safe position, but this is going to help bring your head back over your shoulders and take pressure off the joints. Number 2 would be if you're looking at your phone or looking at your laptop or a screen and you have to do it, what you can do to help prevent poor posture is to bring that phone or that device up to eye level. What this will do is, number 1, it'll prevent you from looking at your phone or that device for a long period of time. Your arms are going to get tired. Number 2, it's actually going to put your ears back over your shoulder. So remember, good posture would be if her ear was directly over that AC joint or that bump in her shoulder. That's what you want.
Number 3 is for those situations where you just have a ton of work, a ton of homework that you just have to get done. So first step is going to be following what Dr. Nate said. Try and get your device up at eye level. At a desk, this may look like adding some books under your laptop, or maybe you have a standing desk and you're lucky in that sense. But if you're in a situation where you just can't make that happen and your screen is going to be down where your neck is forward, then make sure to set a 30-minute timer on your phone. You should not be sitting forward looking at your computer for more than 30 minutes at a time. And then when that timer goes off, just stand up, roll the shoulders back, do some shoulder squeezes and just move. That will allow your head and your neck a break because you'll bring your head back over your shoulders, but it'll just prevent a lot of problems in the long term as well.
So just to recap, number 1, if you're driving, be sure to push your head back into your head restraint at the red lights for the whole duration. Number 2 would be to hold your device or your phone at eye level while you're using it to help you with better posture. And number 3 would be if you have to sit down, if you have to work with poor posture, then be sure to set a timer on your device or your phone for every 30 minutes so you can stand up and move around. That's going to be the best for your spine.
So if you liked our video, if you found this content useful, as always, give us a quick thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and you're interested in seeing the new videos that we put out all week. And you can even share this video with family or friends that you think may benefit. Thank you so much.